We've sort of lived in a manner where we've sort of just tolerated each other, really.
Having 4 grown adults in one room for me is just chaos.
It's not good.
When you're here watching something on the TV, and then my dad's there talking about something, and he's getting quite heated, and you're like, Dad, can you quiet down? And he's like, no, you have to turn the volume down. My mum's somebody who loves to look good.
Space is an issue.
I don't think that the space is utilized in an effective way.
Oh my gosh!
I love the colors, I love the aesthetic.
It's just the functionality of it.
And it's beautiful.
You okay? Yeah.
And there's so much space. We needed space.
It just looks absolutely beautiful. It was very nice to come back to after a long day's work. Our bedroom is a place that's just absolutely been transformed. I could actually go to sleep right now. It feels absolutely comfortable. And this big wardrobe offers so much because all my clothes were cramped up.
It's a fantastic design. It doesn't stress you when you're going to get your clothes.
Because he's doing most of his work at the table, he sort of gets a bit agitated.
This in itself will just improve my feeling of working at home. I had such a small desk. I'm really just grateful for this desk.
For the first time, I've seen smiles. They're glowing with joy. It feels like home.